Listen and read. A. Afford. Argue. Consider. Cost. Explore. Manage. Promise. Size. On the one hand. On the other hand. B. Afford. To afford to do something. To afford something. They say they can't afford to buy a new car. We can't afford to relax now. There's too much work to do. Argue. To argue with somebody. To argue over about something. Do what you are told and don't argue with me. We could argue the problem for hours. They are always arguing about over money. Consider. To consider a problem. To consider other people's feelings. They've decided to move, but they're still considering where to go. I consider him a very clever person. Always consider other people's interests. Cost. At the cost of something, at all costs. The victory was won at the cost of 650 lives. We must stop water and air pollution at all costs. Cost, cost, cost. How much do these shoes cost? The new computer cost us a lot of money. Explore. To explore the planet. To explore the island. Astronauts will explore faraway planets to see what they are like. The oceans have not yet been fully explored. Manage. Will you manage to repair your bicycle? I'm afraid I can't manage another piece of chicken. I'm full. Promise. I'll do it tomorrow. Promise? Yes, I promise. I promised my mother that I would write to her. They promised her a new dress. To make a promise. To keep a promise. To break a promise. If you make a promise, you shouldn't break it. I'll go with you. That's a promise. Size. A big size, a small size. What size do you take in shoes? You should see the size of their dog. It's very big. The size of their army is half the size of ours. On the one hand, I can understand you, but on the other hand, I can't agree with you.